In the 8th episode of Landman, Jon Hamm's character, Monty, was hospitalized, leading to speculation about his health. A major player in Landman's cast, Jon Hamm lends his acting chops to Taylor Sheridan's newest drama about the boomtown oil sector. Meanwhile, Billy Bob Thornton's Tommy Norris has spent most of the first 8 episodes making decisions from the big city over the phone. Monty has only made brief appearances this season, but the speculation about his health reaches a boiling point in episode 8. During phone negotiations, Monty discusses a settlement plan with Ariana, Nathan, and Rebecca Falcone. With Cooper's assistance, Ariana receives twice the money initially offered. Monty's stress levels, already high, spike further when his heart rate rises dramatically, tracked on his wristwatch. He then requests his driver take him to the hospital. Kami bars Monty from receiving work-related calls until he recovers. Though episode 8's ending doesn't reveal his condition, Monty's health has been teased throughout season 1. Despite attempts to improve his lifestyle like exercising, cutting caffeine, and eating better, stress remains a significant factor. Monty's lack of physical activity, poor eating habits, and intense stress seem to have caused his heart problems. In one scene, Monty and a partner briefly discuss healthy lifestyle choices and existential philosophies about destiny and human agency, potentially foreshadowing Monty's demise. The narrative suggests his relentless focus on money at the expense of everything else might lead to his premature death. Even cutting back on caffeine and changing his diet may not have been enough to save him. Monty may have collapsed due to his health, but the $1 million counteroffer disclosure seems to have been the breaking point. The added stress of potentially putting Ariana on trial for theft could have been overwhelming. A trial would be a public relations nightmare with legal fees and years of complications. Monty, being wealthy, appears more willing to pay the settlement than deal with the mess. This plan ties into Rebecca and Monty's situation, as Tommy later notes that the corporation doesn't typically aim to save money by being cheap with family settlements. This may not have been MTX's worst setback, given they were apparently attempting to lowball Ariana initially. In the final episodes, the cartel's problems become more dangerous. Several details in Landman's first season hint at Monty's potential death, creating a power vacuum for MTX at the highest level. Over the last decade, Jon Hamm has been a TV mainstay, appearing in shows like Fargo and The Morning Show since Mad Men ended in 2015. Though Hamm has appeared in only 13 episodes of a single show since, he remains open to lending his talents to different productions. His role in Landman aligns with his pattern of one-season stints. If Monty dies, it would advance the narrative by creating challenges for MTX leadership. Demi Moore's Kami has been underutilized this season, but she may assume control of Monty's company if he passes. Sheridan could be setting the stage for Kami to take a leading role, particularly if Landman gets renewed for a second season. Tommy might also shift into a more business-oriented role to support Kami in maintaining the company.